Over the course of the pandemic, we've answered a lot of your questions about travel as you navigated restrictions and dealt with changes. Just as people are again taking those big trips, we're now seeing this new surge in cases, and that's led a lot of travelers to buy travel insurance, leading to even more questions. Tonight, some answers. If there's one thing travelers learned in the pandemic, it's to expect the unexpected.
I was pretty concerned that it wouldn't happen pretty much right up until about 3 weeks before we left.
When Michonne Hayes booked a summer trip to Turks and Caicos, she didn't balk at also buying travel insurance.
It was about $300 for our family of 4, so it was very affordable for a week-long stay.
Turks and Caicos is among these destinations requiring tourists carry coverage in case something happens. Allianz, one of the biggest insurers, says claims have skyrocketed 75% since the pandemic began. Demand for travel insurance has soared so much that Squaremouth, an online broker for travel insurance, says its sales have grown 67%.
There's certainly been an increase in awareness, a huge change to our demographic. Our average traveler is about 10 years younger than they were before COVID.
All 20 insurers that work with Squaremouth offer policies that automatically cover coronavirus if you catch it. But if your travel plans are disrupted by advisories, border closures, or quarantines, that may require a cancel for any reason policy. Squaremouth says travelers can expect to pay about 40% more for that coverage and likely won't get fully reimbursed. Of course, without coverage, you don't get back anything.
I was more concerned with the cost of having to stay an extra 10 days during a quarantine, which would have been a big hit for us financially that we weren't prepared for. So I was happy to have that insurance.
Yeah, absolutely. Remember also, some credit cards may include travel protection, and you can often buy insurance when you book your trip online as well. Prices, though, can differ greatly, and so can the coverage. So it really does pay to read the fine print and shop around. And Tom Costello is digging into this, helping you answer that important question, when should you buy the insurance? That's coming up on NBC Nightly News at 6:30.